Hello, my friend. So I thought I would take you with me on a quick ride today. I'm in Lombok. It's a beautiful island, not so much traffic here. The weather is perfect, so I think it should be a nice one. I also want to show you a bit of my setup. This is how I attach the camera to the helmet on a chin mount. I have one DJI Mic 2 inside the helmet, like here. The other DJI Mic 2 here on the steering wheel to capture the engine sound, and basically that's all. Yeah, let's attach the camera and let's go for a ride. Here we go. This is how it sits like. Okay, let's go. This is, by the way, the first time I will upload something with the DJI Osmo Action 5. Previously, in all my videos on Instagram and YouTube Shorts, I used Action 4. So let's see what it looks like. Look at this view, it's crazy. So we'll go through central Kuta. It might be a bit of traffic, but it's not that bad as in Bali. One of the benefits of the Osmo Action 5 is that you can record sound on 2 DJI Mic 2, so I can simultaneously record my voice and the engine sound. This is yeah, I think it's very nice. On the Action 4 I couldn't do that. Yeah, this is the central part of Kuta. My highest respect to all the people who come to Bali and Indonesia in general who wear helmets. It's a very nice maneuver from the left line. So actually my destination is the gas station because I'm almost empty. Oh, I had to enter there. Alright, got some fuel, can continue. by the way, shit, crazy. This is by the way the famous Mandalika circuit where was MotoGP. Would be fine to go for a ride there. By the way, if you want to see the whole process of how I work with the Osmo action videos, just yeah, comment about it. It's a big push for me to make such a video. It's not actually too complicated, but I think throughout the whole journey of me editing the videos, I got some insights, and this might be helpful. And yeah, I've got a nice feedback from people on other videos, and I guess I do something not so bad. Yeah, just comment and I'll come up with something. Also, if you wanna know the settings I'm shooting on, I will list them in the description, so yeah, I'll list them in the description. The exact settings I used for this video and that I use for most of my videos. And one more thing, if you have any feedback for me, positive, negative, I would be happy to see it. If you have any questions about the bike, I've been riding it for over like 3,600 kilometers, so I got to know it. then shit, is it? Should I go here? Yeah, so I got to know the bike, and I can help with something, I guess. So yeah, I got to know the bike, and maybe if you have any questions about Lombok, I travel here now, Indonesia, I will be glad to help you with it. I like this road. But for now, it's been a pleasure to have you with me on the ride. Drive safe, and yeah, just enjoy.